ส้มอ่ะมันขึ้นแบบเนี้ยอ่ะได้ใช่ไหมเนี่ย
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning,
Teacher.
Okay, we will learn about goods and services in daily life. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
goods are things you can touch and take home. Example: food, clothes, on tools, services are things people do for you. Okay. Example: teaching, cutting hair on transportation. Okay, next. Okay, goods. Example: food, toys, and clothes. Services. Example: haircut, bus driver, and teaching. Okay. Question 1. Can you give me one example of a good?
bag
Apple. Apple.
Okay. Question next. Can you give me one example of a service?
Reception.
bank
Good.
Room service.
cleaning
Good. Okay. Let's argue. Your answer. Is it a good or a service? Apple. Good or service?
Good.
Apple. Good. Cleaning. Good or service?
Service.
Cleaning service. Cleaning is something only people do for you. Okay. Good.
good
Good.
Good. Get food. Good on service.
service
Get food is a service because it's delivery food to people. Okay. Okay. Next. Remember, food things you can keep. Services things people do for you. Okay. Game. When I say a good, you raise your hand. When I say a service, you put your hand down. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Next. Example. Book. Book. Service on good.
Good.
good
Teaching. Service on good.
service
Service.
Put your hand down. Okay. Number 1. Ready? Let's play.
Good.
Good. Put your hand down on. Raise your hand. Sure?
Good.
Okay. Raise your hand. Okay. Number 2. Back. Service on good. Back. Good. Okay. Number 3. Cleaning. Put your hand down on. Raise your hand.
Service.
Okay. Number 4. Milk. Service on good. Okay, good. Goodbye. Goodbye, Pansy. Very good. Okay. Goodbye, good. And you can. Empathy. Reception, doing good.
Surface.
Okay, serious. It's your turn now. Okay. First, I think we can start technical service. I think people who call us both are important in our daily life. Okay.
Bye bye. Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher.
Goodbye.
See you.